Hey guys, so today we're just going to do a dirty pour. This is a 10 by 20 canvas, and I wanted something icy because it's a little chilly in here. So I'm going to do 4 little cups of paint, intertwine them all together, and hopefully we'll have something wintry and beautiful. So I'm going to grab this interference blue as well. Give it just a little more oomph. Okay, so the colors I'm using: Snow White Iridescent Pearl. This is our Praj Posse paint. This is Deco Art Teal Topaz. Icy Arctic Teal. That's also a Praj Posse paint. Craft Smart Blue Ice Pearl. Praj Posse paint Moody Blue. Praj Posse paint Silver Spoon, and Golden's Interference Blue. So I think I'm going to start with the Snow White. And we'll follow that with the Teal Topaz. I don't have a lot of this. I'm just using up some paints. Yay. Love getting rid of them. Okay, so here's our Arctic Teal. Sticking. Piece of eraser stuck in there, which is odd. Okay, here's where I want to put the Moody Blue. I'm going to try to use this twice. Some Silver Spoon. And we'll do the Blue Ice. Then we'll go back to the Moody Blue. So I want to put that interference on top of that. See what happens with that. Okay. Then we'll go back to the teal. Some silver. And some Moody Blue. Top it. All right. This is going to be fun. I feel wintry already. So I am going to give each one of these just a tiny swirl. Something there. Nope. Okay, let's go wild. All right. Now, you know, on my 4th cup, I will be placing more so I definitely want some of this Moody Blue through here. And I think I'll come around this way. I'm going to end up pouring probably that part off. Alright, let me give it a quick torch. We'll just pop a couple of air bubbles. I'm going to shimmy it a everything together. And now I'll tilt. Love this corner already. Just want to get some over the edge. Trying to hold on to those cells. I actually like that silver in there. There's a lot of maneuvering to get those edges without losing things that you like. So as long as you're keeping your paint together, and a lot of times you'll see me rock back and forth, that's so I can see where the paint's at. There we go. This is cool. I love that moody blue. I do want to balance it a bit, so I'm going to bring this down and over. I see something here. Ooh, that was a big one. Wonder where that came from. I'm losing my voice, so you're probably going to be getting a couple of videos with music. Happens every time I go to the doctor's office, I catch something. Okay, let's go ahead and torch this. And I'm glad that we're not getting a bunch of cells coming up through those bands, because that is where that interference blue is. So it should dry pretty interesting. Got one stubborn bubble over here. There we go. I got it. So I'm really loving this, guys. So subscribe while you're here, so you don't miss out on any more paintings. This is a teaching channel, so we always like to get everybody to come in on a Monday night. If you have questions, we can answer them for you. Isn't that cool? I really love this. It would be beautiful if I resin this one. So, if you're looking for pouring supplies, I have them in my Amazon shop. Also, if you're interested in getting my paints, just email me at ChristinaWelchArt@yahoo.com. Join our group on Facebook, Parage Posse with Christina Welch. Check out my art page as well, Christina Welch Art on Facebook. Joining us every Monday night live is also beneficial if you're just starting out. And if you've been pouring a while, you can get some fresh ideas. And it's fun to chat with everybody, see what's going on in the pouring world. But join us then, and we hope to see you all on the next one. Bye now.